What is your problem, Sai Sharanya? Keyword arguments, A is A, B is B, C is C. Can I share my screen? Yeah, you can share your screen. If anyone is getting errors in yesterday's programs, especially argument programs, you can share your screen. We'll try to resolve that errors. Adi Narayana. Okay, define show K L M is equals to. Okay. Okay, what is the error, Adi Narayana? The error is yeah, that is the error. Okay, default arguments follow non-default arguments follow default arguments. So non-default arguments first you are supposed to write. Okay, you go to your program. Go to your program. Non-default arguments you are supposed to write first. Sir, list is not added in variable length argument. Means what is? I didn't get your point. Okay, so here Rajanarayana, your error is you are supposed to write non-default arguments first. Then you are supposed to write a default arguments. So y is equals to 5 is there, it is default argument. So instead of y is equals to 5, you can write z is equals to 5. Because first you should have non-default arguments. Then only you are supposed to write a default arguments. Now write z is equals to 5. Okay, now you compile it. Okay. Always you are supposed to write non-default arguments only first. Okay. Default arguments will be last. Okay. Next, what are the other doubts? So list is not added in variable or length argument. What is meant by? Yeah, you can share your screen. You can share your screen. Sai Sharanya. Okay, function 1 star A for I in A, print I, define function 2 star B for I in B, print B, print elements in function 1, function 1. Okay, function 1, we are calling n number of times, function 1, function, it was not printing, function 2. Okay, function 2, you are not supposed to pass direct list mark. Okay, you remove that parenthesis, you are supposed to send normal parenthesis. Function 2, whenever you are calling na, okay, in the last second line, last but one, how we are sending 47, 68, 79. In the same way we are supposed to send last line also. They are supposed to use the same brackets, not square brackets. Directly you can't send list. You can, yeah, now you will execute, you will get it. Okay, so any more doubts? Any more doubts? Any more doubts? If you have any doubts, please let me know. So I think you don't have any doubts, right? Remaining students, any doubts? Please let me know if you have any doubts. If you don't have any doubts, then I'll proceed with the other topic. Today's topic is very important. Okay, as like your arguments. Okay, this is simply you can say it's an extension to functions. I'll share my screen. So if you have very interesting topic actually, this is very interesting topic also. The topic is modules and packages. So our today's topic is modules and packages in Python. Okay, what is module? What is package in Python? I'll tell you. First, what is the definition of module? Module is nothing but simply it is simply a Python file. Okay, or we can say .py file. .py file means module means simply it's a program only. Okay. So whenever you are supposed to use one module in other module, first you import this module, using import keyword. I'll tell you what is the meaning of this. Okay, I'll tell you what is the meaning of this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so here what is module? Module is nothing but it's a simple Python program only. But the thing is, what is the use of this module? If it is a Python program, then what is the specialty in module? The specialty is we'll create one module and we'll try to use this module in another module. I'll explain some program. I'll write some program. Please, all of you, listen carefully. This topic is very important and very useful also. Okay, so I'm creating some module. I can call it as module 1. Okay, then module 1, just I'll define some function. Okay, I'm defining some function 1. So print this is m1 f1. m1 f1 means module 1 function 1. So similarly I can define some more functions. And I'll define some more functions. So I'll define some more functions like okay, I'll define function 2. This is second function. So this is module 1 function 2, second function. This is third function, module 1 third function. Okay, so now please observe, all of you, I created a module. Module is nothing but, as I said, it is simply a Python file only. Okay, so in this module I have 3 functions. Okay, now I am saving this program. Okay, how I am saving this program? I can give some name. The name maybe I can give as a mod1.py. Mod1.py is the name I given for module 1. Okay, now tell me, if I run this program, what is the output? If I run this program, what is the output? What is the output of this program if I run this program? Please look at this program and tell me what is the output if I run this program. Yes, very good. No output because I defined functions, but I am not calling these functions. Okay, so just I am running this program. So no output. There is no output because simply I created functions. I defined functions, but I am not calling that functions. So that's why. Okay, now our purpose will comes into the picture. The main usage of module. Now I am going to create one more module. All of you see here. I am creating one more module. So this is, I can call it as module 2. I can call it as module 2. So in this module, I want to access module 1 functionality. Okay. So how can I access? If I want to access, I told you first I have to import mod 1. This is module 1, right? So I'm supposed to import this mod 1. If I import this mod 1, then I can access everything here. So here, if you want, you can access. Okay. So mod 1 dot function 1, mod 1 dot function 1, mod 1 dot function 2. Okay, mod 1 dot function 3. So here what I am doing, I created a module. Okay, in that module I am having some functions. For example, 3 functions are there. What I am doing, these functions or this module, I am trying to access in another module. Okay, in module 2 I want to access module 1. So that is the concept. Okay, so now I'll save this program. I can call it as mod2 mod2.py. So if I run this program, okay, please all of you see here which program I am running, not module 1, module 2 I am running. Okay, I am trying to run this program. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, so this is the specialty of modules. Actually here if you see, There is no function 1, there is no function 2, there is no function 3. These all are actually not available in module 2, but we are accessing all these functions in another module. How? With the help of this keyword import. Okay, import what you want to import module 1, right? Is it clear to all? Is it clear, ma? The concept of module, is it clear? That is the explanation I written here. Please all of you read this explanation. Whenever you are going to, the explanation what I written here, whenever you are supposed to use one module in another module, first you import this module using import keyword. Okay, so that you can access everything from module 1 in this new module. This new module means whatever module you have created. Is it clear to all? Is it clear, ma? What is the use of the module? Yeah. What is the use of module means? For example, you are doing a project. Okay, you are doing a project. So in your project, you are going to use some 100 functions. In your project, you are writing some 100 functions. Okay, so 100 functions are going to be called 1000 times. 100 functions are going to be called 1000 times. So are you able to write these 100 functions in each and every Python file? Maybe you can write it, but it is a waste of time, right? You can write only all these 100 functions in a single file, and you can import this file and you use wherever you require. That is the concept of modules. It's very simple to your header file in C language. In header file also you are doing same, right? You want to access some mathematical function, then what you will do? You can write simply hash include stdio.h, hash include math.h. Why you are writing hash include math.h? You are trying to use some functions from math.h header file in your program. So that's why you are writing include hash include math.h. If you don't write hash include math.h, then what will happen? You are not having any access to, if you are not having any access to use mathematical functions that are written in math.h. Same concept here. I think it is clear, right? Hi Sharanya, is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Remaining students? Okay, I'll give you one more example why we are going to use like this. If you remember, we discussed a concept called, when I started the concept of functions, we discussed two types of functions. What is the first type? Inbuilt function. Inbuilt function. Okay. Second type is user defined functions. You are okay. So we are using these two types of functions. So now I told you, when I am trying to use this inbuilt function, we are supposed to access some modules. Okay. So if you remember, when I am trying to use this mathematical functions, I written import math. If anyone remember this, I written import math. Have you remembered? Okay. Have you remembered? I written somewhere import math. Okay. Yes. Oh, the meaning of import math. What is import math actually? Math is a module. So I'm trying to access mathematical functions. So if I want to access mathematical functions, first I'm supposed to import the respective module. The module is math module I'm trying to access. So once I access math module, then only I can access the mathematical functions. So that is the meaning of module. Module means what? Module means it's a collection of functions, or it may be normal program only. It's like a normal program. Okay, not only functions. I'll update something here. Okay, so this is module 2, module 1. So here I declare some variables also. All of you see here. X is equals to 100, Y is equals to 200. Okay. So now what I did, I created some variables also in module 1. Okay. So now I'll run this program. Again, there is no output. Okay, there is no output. Okay. Now I want to access this values also. Now I want to access this values also in another module. I want to access these values in this module. So here I can write print the values from module 1 or mod1 dot x mod1 dot x, and one more value also I want to access. Okay, otherwise I can enter x value from module 1 and the y value from module 1, mod1 dot x, and here mod1 dot y. Okay, so now I'll run this program. So now if you observe here, what is the output, in which file we got output? This is module 2, not module 1. Okay, in module 2 I am accessing this x value and y value, but where x and y values are defined, are they defined in module 2? No, they are not defined in module 2. They are defined in module 1. I defined these values in module 1. This is module 1 where I defined x value and y value, but I am trying to access this same module 1 values in module 2. So how can I access? With the help of import keyword. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear to all? I think all of you understood what is the use of this module, right? Okay, now I'll add some more. Now I'll add some more modules and I'll try to utilize the same modules in this program. Okay, now I want to create one more module here. I want to create one more module. I can call this module as module 3. Module 3. In this module, I'll define some functions. Define add print of sum is, okay. I can expect some arguments also here. Okay, sum is I can write a plus b. Okay. So I am creating some more functions in module 3. Okay, so this is add function and this is subtract function. Okay, so here subtraction is the a minus b. This is multiplication function. Multiplication is a into b, and I am using division function. Division is a slash b. Modulo is a mod b. Okay, so this is my another module. So now I want to use this module 3 in module 2. I want to use this module 3 functionality in module 2. Then what I am supposed to do? Anyone tell me what I am supposed to do? I want to use this functionality, this module 3 functionality in module 2. Then what I am supposed to do? Let me save this program. Let me save this program with mod 3.py. Okay, yes. Now I want to use this module 3. If I run, what is the output? I won't get any output here also, because I'm not calling anything. Yes, there is no output. Okay. Now my question is, I want to use all these functions in another module. Let's say I want to use all these functions in module 2. How can I use this? Anyone tell me? Yes, very good. Import module 3. The name is module 3, right? What is the name I given here? Module 3. Okay. The name I given is mod 3. Okay, so I'm supposed to write mod 3. So here I can write mod 3. Import mod 3. If I written import mod 3, then I can access. So here I can write what can I access? What can I access? I can access add. Okay. So here if you want, you can read some values here, like num1 is equals to, or you can write a, no problem, that is up to you. A equals to int of input of enter first number. Enter first number. Right? So here I am reading numbers, and I'll call the function that is available in module 3. I'm trying to use module 3 function in module 2. Second number. Okay. So once I got these two numbers, then simply I can call these functions. What are the functions available? Add, subtract, multiplication, division, modulo. So here simply I can call mod 3. This is available in mod 3. Mod 3 dot add. I am supposed to send A and B. Okay. And similarly I can call all the functions. Mod 3 dot subtract, mod 3 dot multiply, mod 3 dot division, mod 3 dot subtract, mod 3 dot multiplication, mod 3 dot division. Okay, mod 3 dot division, mod 3 dot module, mod 3 dot module, mod 3 dot module. So this is the logic. Okay, understood all of you? Understood all of you the concept of module? Please respond. Anyone having any doubts here? Is it clear the concept of modules? What is the use of these modules? Please respond in the chat box. Is it clear or any doubts? Okay. Now I'll try to run this program. So here I am using two modules. Okay, module 1 and as well as module 3. In module 1, these functions are defined. In module 3, all arithmetical functions I define. Okay, so this is about the output of this one. Enter first number, I am giving 10. Enter second number. Enter first number 10. Enter second number 5. Okay, so 10 is 10 plus 5, 10 minus 5, 10 into 5, 10 by 5, 10 mod 5. Okay, and all this functionality is from module 1, and this functionality we are getting from module 2. Okay, means module 2 means second module means the module 3. Okay, we are given module 3. I think it is clear to all, right? The concept of module is clear to all, right? In this way you can import n number of modules. Okay, you can write functionality in one module and you try to access that module in another module. Okay, you can call any function whatever you require. Okay, so the main use of these modules is you are not you don't need to define, you don't need to write the code of each and every module in n times. Okay, so you don't need to write that module in different places. You can write in one place and you try to access the same module in different places. Is it clear to all? Is it clear, ma? Okay, so yeah. What is meant by package? Module is clear, I think all of you. Is it clear? Modules, the concept of module is clear, right? If the concept of module is clear, then I will go for the concept of package. Okay. Yeah. What is meant by package? This is also very important. What is meant by package? Package is nothing but collection of related modules. Okay, collection of related modules is known as a package. Okay, so you can access this package by using from keyword. From keyword is used. From keyword used to access the package. Okay, what is the keyword used to access the module? Here I told you import keyword is used to access the module. Import, just now we written import mod 1, import mod 3. Import is the keyword for accessing module and from is the keyword used for accessing the package. What is meant by package? Collection of related modules. Okay, all of you see here. How can I create a package? Package is nothing but simply all the modules will be stored in a particular folder. Okay. So here all the related modules will be in a folder. What is meant by all the related modules in a folder? For example, in your mobile, you are having different folders, right? You are having images folder, you are having audio folder, you are having video folder, you are having some songs folder, or you are having some personal folder. What will be there in that images folder? What will be there? Related images will be there. Collection of images will be there. Okay. Personal folder. What will be there? Your personal data will be there. For example, Telugu songs folder. What will be there? Telugu songs will be there. So similarly here also in package also, package is nothing but simply it is a folder, or we can say it is a directory. Directory or folder, both are same. It is a folder or it is a directory where the collection of modules will be there. Okay, the collection of modules, all the modules will be there in a single folder. So now we'll see how that will be done. Okay. So now I'll go to I'm going to this particular okay folder where I'm saving all the programs. Okay, so this is the folder where I'm saving programs, that is Acharya 829. This is the folder. So in this folder, I'm creating a package. How I'm going to create a package? Just now I said, just package is nothing but creating a folder. I'm creating a folder. I'm creating a folder, new folder. Okay, just I'm giving the folder name as pack1. Pack1. Okay, so pack1 is the folder. So in this pack1, what will be there? Nothing is there by default. Okay. By default, nothing is there. Just I'll create some modules and I'll keep that modules in this folder. Okay. So here what I'll do. So temporarily what I'll do is I'll keep this module 1, module 2, module 3 in this pack folder. Okay. Just now we created these modules now. Module 2, module 2, module 3, module 1. All these I'm copying. Just I'm trying to paste in this folder. Okay. Now what is pack1? Pack1 is a package. As I said, it is nothing but a folder. It consists of collection of modules. This is a collection of modules. Module 1, module 2, module 3. These are collection of modules. Now I'll write a program. Now I'll write a program. I'll write a new program. I'll write a new program. I'll write a new program here. Okay. So I want to access this package. How can I access? From, what's the package name? Pack1. From pack1, I want to access only import mod1. Okay, from package 1, I want to access module 1. From pack1, import mod1. Okay, so simply I can write mod1 dot function 1. Next, mod1 dot function 2. Mod1 dot function 3. Now we'll see what will happen. Okay, see how what will happen. I'm saving the program. I can call this as some other module. Okay, I can call this as some. I can give some other name. Okay, I'll continue with my numbers. Okay. So just I'll run this program. What is the output we got here? This is M1F1. M1F1 means module 1 function 1. This is M1F2 module 1 function 2. M1F3 module 1 function 3. So here what we did in this program, in the previous program, simply I written import mod1. Import mod1 means importing a particular module. But here, instead of writing import mod1, I written from also. What is the use of from? Just now I written here. From means, from is a keyword used to access the package. So what I am doing here, I am trying to access the package. The name of the package is pack1. So in this package, we have so many modules. How many modules are there? In this package, we have 3 modules. Module 1, module 2, module 3. 3 modules are there. But which module I am going to access? I am going to access only one module. For example, if you want to access other modules also from the same package, okay? If you want to access other module, then simply you can write mod 1 comma mod 3. I want to access mod 3 also. Okay. In mod 3, what is there? Mod 3 dot add is there. Okay. Mod 3 dot sub is there. Okay. So here it is expecting some values. Directly I am sending some values. Add 100 comma 200 and mod 3 dot multiplication some 10 comma 20. So I'm not calling all the functions, only for your understanding. I'm explaining only few functions. If you want to call all functions, you can call. That is up to you. So now I'll save this program. So here what I'm doing, in this package 1, I'm trying to access 2 modules. Module 1 I want to access and module 3 also I want to access. In module 1, whatever you are going to access, you can write the functions like this. In module 3, whatever you want to access, you can write the functions like this. Right? So now I'll run this program. Okay. So this is module 1 function 1, module 1 function 2, module 1 function 3. Sum is 300, subtraction is -10, multiplication is 200. So that is the output for the values whatever we passed. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Is it clear to all? What is module? What is package? Don't confuse. Package is nothing but simply it is a folder where it is having collection of modules. Okay, so it is having collection of modules. So don't confuse, ma. Most of the students are thinking like package means it is some other thing. It's nothing actually. It is a collection of modules only. Okay, and how we are going to access package? Package can be accessed by using a keyword called from. Module can be accessed by using a keyword called import. Okay, so import mod 1, import mod 2, import math. You can access any module by using the keyword import, and you can access any package by show the output. This is the output. Okay, this is the program. This is the program what we are written, and this is the output what we got. Okay, so this is the program from package 1. So from this package, we are trying to import 2 modules, module 1 and module 3. In module 1, already we defined 3 functions, right? Function 1, function 2, function 3. So whenever I call these functions, I'm going to get M1, F1, M1, F2, M1, F3. Module 1, function 1, module 1, function 2, module 1, function 3. This is for these 3 lines. Next, I'm accessing some functions from other module also, that is module 3. Module 3 dot add. Add here it is expecting 2 arguments. That's why directly I am not reading through input. If you want, you can read this values through input function also. Input, enter any first number, enter second number, like that also you can read, and you can send that numbers also. But here, okay, directly I am passing the values. Okay. So if you want, you can call remaining functions also. I am not calling all the functions, just I am calling add function, I am calling subtract function, I am calling multiplication function. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Hi, Sharanya, is it okay? Remaining students, please respond. Do you understand what is meant by module, what is meant by package, how to create a module, how to create a package, how to access module, how to access package? Okay, only important.
Principal speech is here.
Yes, Ravani. Ravani, what is your doubt? You are unmuted. Please, can you type in the chat box? I am not getting your voice. Ravani Joshi. Okay, right. So the point here is, whenever you are trying to access one module in another module, okay, the first thing is you are supposed to run your module. If you don't run your module, for example, I showed you, okay, module 1, I created first module 1. If you see the outputs, it's very clear. Okay. So here what I did here, I created module 3. Okay, I run module 3 before calling this module 3 in module 2. Most of the students, what they will do is they'll create module 3. Okay, they will save it, but they won't run. If you won't run module 3, okay, if you access in this module 2 also, then you will get an error. So even though there is no output for module 3, you have to run that. Okay, if you run it, then only you can use in another module. Must and should, you should run the program. You should run that module if you want to use in another module. So that is one important point. Sir, are packages predefined or can they be user defined? Packages are also same. Predefined packages are there. User defined means you can define. Just now we created one package, na? PACK1, pack1. Pack1 is it's user defined only. We are created, right? So packages also we are having predefined packages and user defined packages. Okay, you can create your own package. Just know how we created pack1. Like that, you can create your own package. Or in mod 3, we use input functions, but it was not asking in output. Can we access directly? I didn't get your point, ma. Sai Sharanya. In mod 3, we use input functions, but it was not asking in output. You can access directly. Yeah, that is what I am doing here. I am not asking the values in this directly. I am taking some values. I am passing directly. Okay. If you don't want to pass the values directly here, you can read these values also. Okay. Instead of this, you can do like this also. I told you. Okay. So A is equals to, you can take some number int of input of enter first number. I'm going to read second number also, enter and input of second number. So now I got two numbers. Okay. So now again same thing you can do here also. If you want to differentiate these two, okay, so here I can write print this is reading input values. This is reading input values. For your understanding purpose only, I am writing this. Okay, this is reading input values. And what about this? This is directly passing values. Okay, now I'll run this program. So here instead of 100 and 200, I can pass A comma B. Here also I'll pass A comma B. Here also I'll pass AB, and here also I'll pass A comma B. Okay, so that is the difference. So here in this case, I am reading values from the user. A and B I am reading from the user, and whatever I am reading from the user, I am passing the same values to this function. Okay, but in this case, I am not reading any values from the user. Directly, I am passing the values to the function. So you can do in your own way. That is up to you. Okay, so enter first number. I am giving some 4. Okay, so if you observe here, this is the output by reading the values. Okay, what we are reading? We are reading A value 4 and B value 2. Okay, so that's why our output is 4 plus 2 6, 4 minus 2 2, 4 into 2 8. This is reading input values by using input function. And you can do like this also, without reading also you can send directly values. So this is directly I am passing. I'm passing some 100, 200, 20, 10 like that. Okay. You can do in either way. That is up to you. I think it is clear, right? Is it clear to all? Is it clear, ma? Remaining students, I think you are getting right. Only few students are responding, like 10 students are responding. What about remaining 20 plus students? People are getting or not? At least you respond in chat box. You don't ask any questions also. At least you respond in chat box with yes or no, or you ask me questions in chat box. Okay. Whatever doubt you have, you try to clear in the class itself. If you are listening the class carefully, if you are following my examples carefully, okay, so it is more than enough to understand. And as well as you do some practice also. Okay. So please don't miss any program for practicing. Any concept, any program you don't miss. Because already I told you this modules and packages are it's new program actually. I'll show the program. Which program? This program, last program. 1 minute. Okay. So this is the program, right? So here if you want, I can write something. Packages. Okay, so packages. I'm accessing this pack one. Pack one we created actually. In pack one we have some modules. So I'm trying to access these modules. In module one we have some functions like function one, function two, function three. In module three again we'll have some more functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and some other are there. Okay, so if you don't want to access all the functions, you want to access only few functions, then you can access few only. That is up to you. There is no need of accessing all the functions. There is no need of accessing all the modules. Okay, how many modules you want? You want only one module, then you can write only mod one. You don't need to write this mod three. If you want to access one module, you can write only one module name. You don't need to write other modules. Okay, is it fine? Is it clear to all? Yeah, I told you right. The concept of modules and packages are it's little bit different. Why? Because till now what we seen is we seen how to create a program, how to execute a program, okay, how to call a function, okay, how to call a function n times. This is everything is in a single program. Everything happened in a single program. But what about these modules and packages? Modules and packages are they are uh, they are talking about more than one program. Okay, first time we are accessing the concept in one program in another program. Okay, it is not limited to only two programs. You can use this in n programs. Just now we seen some examples. We created two modules, module 1 and module 3. Module 1 and module 3 we used in module 2. Not only this module 1 and module 3. If you want, you can create 100 modules. You can use this 100 modules in a single program. Okay, so that is the main usage of modules. You can create n number of modules, and all these n number of modules you can use in a separate program. And all these n number of modules you can keep in a separate package. First you use that package. Okay, package can be used by you. Yes, you can use in mobile also. But the only thing is, all the programs should be there in a single folder. If you are trying to use in mobile. Okay, if you observe here, whenever I am creating modules, whenever I am creating package also, all the programs I am keeping in a single folder. Single means same folder. Okay, if you are keeping one program in one folder and other program in some other folder, okay, then you are unable to access because they should be in the same folder. Like you are using math.href file in your C language. Okay, all mathematical functions like ceil, floor, absolute, okay, square root, all these are written in math.h only. That math.txt is there in a single in the same folder. So like that, you must have use the same folder so that you can access all the modules. Okay, any more doubts? Any more doubts? These two keywords are very important, ma. Import and from. What is import keyword? What is from keyword? Import is only accessing a particular module. From is used to access a package. Package means collection of modules. You can access one module or you can access all modules. That is up to you. That is depending on your requirement. Okay, the only thing is, if you are writing one package, means in that package all the modules will be there. For example, how you are creating a folder, how you are maintaining files in folder. The same thing. Package is nothing but it's a simple folder only. Okay, you are creating folders in your mobile. Why you are creating folders? That is only for easy accessing. We can say for easy accessing and for maintaining all related data in one place. If you don't have any folders, then maybe okay in a single folder. If you have songs, if you have images, if you have video, or if you have some documents, PDF document, Word document, everything is there in a single folder. Then it is very difficult to manage. It is very difficult to track. So that's why what you will do, you are going to separate all these files, images into one folder, like songs into one folder, videos into one folder, and some documents, education related documents in other folder, personal documents in other folder. Okay, so you are going to maintain like this so that you can understand. It's very okay. You can understand and you can retrieve the documents. You can retrieve the files very easily whenever you require. So that is the concept of modules and functions. Understood now, all of you? But my suggestion is you try to create more and more modules, okay, and try to use that modules in another module. Okay, so if you create some 5 modules, you try to create 5 modules. In each and every module, we write some minimum 4 functions. Okay, so I'll mention here the homework. I'll mention in the homework. Okay, so assignment, yeah, create a module with 5 functions. Okay, create 4 modules with 5 functions in each module. Okay, and import these 4 modules in another module. Okay, this is one thing. The module and call all the functions. Next, create a package with the above 4 modules and use this package and another module. Try to access few modules from this package. So all of you please try this programs. Okay, just I am asking you create 4 modules. Okay, 4 modules with the 5 functions in each and every module, and import all these 4 modules in another module and call all the functions. Second program is create a package with the 4 modules, whatever you created in the first program. The same 4 modules you can keep in a folder. You can create a package and use this package. From the package, you try to access few modules. So I think it is clear, right? The problems are clear, right? Is it clear? The definition of the problem is clear. First, you try to understand the question what I am asking about. If you understand the question, then automatically you will get the answer. Okay. I think there is no confusion, right, in the questions. If there is any confusion, please let me know. I hope all of you understood these questions, and you'll do it by your own, right? Any confusion or any explanation required? Any more information required from my side? If there is any more information required, please let me know. If you don't have doubts, then I'll stop here for today. Please let me know if you have any doubts. Still any doubts?